Hey friends, Catherine here. We are going to be doing an origami diamond today, and this will be a blow-up diamond, so it doesn't take anything else but the origami paper itself. Check the link in the description below for the video I watched to try and do this. I'm going to be following somebody else's tutorial for this today. First thing that you do is take the pattern that you want and face it towards your table. Then fold in half in all directions. Go. So corner to corner each way and side to side each way. Go. If you've got a sparkly paper, this would be even better for it. I don't happen to have a sparkly paper in this size of paper. I suppose I could cut up one in order to make one. We'll see how it goes. Okay, and then, if I remember correctly, what you do is you have it in half like this, and you fold this corner up so that this creased edge is along this crease, so this center crease here. Yep, there we go. Okay, and then flip it over and do the same thing for the opposite side so that the center crease is there. So now you've got a triangle, but not the way that we normally reach it. Then what we do is stand it on its end and open this up so that it becomes a square. Perfect. Okay. Then what we are going to do, if I remember correctly, is fold each of these sides over to the center. So we've got a creased edge here and a creased edge here that we are folding to meet the center. Not the raw edges at the top, but the creased edges down here. Okay, then flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Creased edge to the center, hopefully making a nice neat crease as we go, trying to keep everything nice, because the nicer you make your folds and your creases and the neater they end up being, the nicer your finished product. Okay, so we've got those done, and we're going to face the short point toward ourselves and fold it up so that it folds right along the line that is created by the top of these two flaps. Fold it up to the center, trying to keep everything straight and even and neat, and crease it down. Now what we're going to do is take and open up one of these sides and tuck all of these top flaps inside. So inside and inside and inside and inside. So now all of those top flaps are tucked in, hopefully, sort of. There we go, something like that. Straighten that one out because that one's a little weird. Now everything's tucked inside, and we're going to fold back over those two. Then what we are going to do is bring, let's see here, if I remember this correctly, we're going to open it up Let's see if we can manage it. Oh, I'm not sure I remember where to go from here, guys. I think we open this up. Oh, I know, I remember what I'm doing wrong. I fold this over first. Fold it over first, and then I open that up. See, back on track. And then we hold these seams together and bring them down so that they line up with the center crease along here. So together and downward till they line up with that center crease. And then we can flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. So we can open it up and hold these two pieces together and bring it downward along this center crease to there. Now, one last step, we need to bring this end, the long tail end, up and give it a crease there. So just right there along this line that is created by this flap that's folded down and no further. And then there, along the line that's created by that flap and no further. And same thing for the other side, just fold along the flap and give it a crease there and not anywhere else, and along the flap and give it a crease there and not anywhere else. Now we can open it up and we should be able to inflate it. Hold on a moment. There we have it. Okay, and then those fold downward. I'm terrible at inflating origami, guys, but it ends up sort of like that. Like an origami diamond that you were able to blow up by inflating it from the top. You blow into the top end right here, and that's what inflates it. And there you have it. One inflatable origami diamond. What did you guys think? Do you like it? I like it a lot. If you do like it as well, definitely let me know. I would be happy to hear from you. I'm always trying new things and looking for new things to try. So go ahead and leave a comment in the comments down below telling me what you think, and remember to check back again tomorrow because I'm putting up a new video every day and you don't want to miss it. There's always something new to see. I will see you guys all later. Oh, and remember to subscribe. Bye!